Hello everyone, I am Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today is a very interesting video. I am very excited about this one because I am going to try a color contact from Aquacolor. This is in the shade Tricky Turquoise, and this is the very first time that I am trying color contact. I have never tried color contact ever in my life, so I am extremely excited about this one. So I actually have been using powered contact lens for almost 5 years now. I use this contact lens. These are powered contact lens, clear contact lens. I have been using this for 5 years now, but I have never used colored ones. I don't know how I will look, if it will match my skin tone or not, but I am very excited to try this. These are trial pack contact lens, and they have a lot of shade of this available. You can buy this from Aquacolor official website, or you can buy this on Amazon. I bought this one from my nearest Lenskart store. They were available. They have all the shades, but I chose this one. This is Tricky Turquoise, and they call it candy pack. These are trial packs. These are once use only. If you put it on, you can use it for up to 24 hours and then you throw it out. You don't reuse it. So these are once use packs. They have a lot of contact lens, colored contact lens. They have a lot of shades, and they have also reusable ones. They have powered contact lens as well. Aquacolor is really coming up with all the lenses they have. If I like this one, then I might get their reusable contact lens, colored contact lens. These are zero power, so obviously I have to use my glasses on top of this, but it's okay, you know, for occasion and stuff, for parties, weddings and stuff, you can use color contact. It's okay. It is actually very trending nowadays. Everybody like to use a colored contact. So I am going to do a wear test on this contact lens, how it will feel on my eyes the entire day. I will do a wear test, and also I will share my views on this lens, how it feels on my eye and how it looks, everything. And I will also show you how to use lenses properly. So let's talk about how to apply your lenses properly. First thing, when you apply your lenses, you have to look forward into the mirror. Do not look up or down like this. The shape of the lens matches your eyes properly. So if you look up or down, it will not stick to your eyes. Always look forward to the mirror and put the lens right on top of your eyes. Okay. Now there are some tools available to use your lenses, but honestly guys, finger is always a better tool to apply your lenses. First of all, it is more hygienic, and second thing, you know how much pressure you need to put, or you know if it is sticking or not. With other tools you might not feel if it is going in the right direction or not. Always wash your hand before using your lenses. Wash your hand properly with hand soap and then apply your lenses. So the very most important thing is apply your lenses before you do your makeup, especially your eye makeup, because no matter what, when you apply your lenses, you are going to tear up a little bit and it will be messing up with your makeup. So always apply your lenses first and then go for your makeup or your skincare or anything, especially your eye makeup. So you remove it like this. See, you remove it like this. Okay, two parts. Now it is zero power, so both of these lenses can go on either of the eyes, but if you are using a powered lens, the power would be written on top of this, so it is specified for which eye you are going to use it. So you are going to remove it from here. See, okay, I don't know if you can see or not, but here it is. So you dip your finger into the lens and you got your lens on your finger. You flip it on, okay, like this. You hold your lenses like this. You see the curve. This is how the lens should be on your finger to put it on to your eyes. Now you take one finger on top, another finger down, and then put it directly on your eyes. Look directly into the mirror and put it on directly on top of your eyes. Oh wow, see? Okay, you see, even if I use every day, but still I'm getting a little watery. That happens, it is completely normal. Oh, it looks beautiful. I mean, I was worried that it might not look good on my skin tone because I'm a brown woman, and it makes my eye look bigger. See? Do you see the difference? Oh my god. Oh wow. No, now I'm crying. It's not hurting, okay? I'm not crying because it is hurting. It's not hurting, guys, but it looks so beautiful. It's amazing. Oh wow. I will be doing wear test. I will tell you guys how it feels throughout the day. So look doesn't matter, your comfort level matters. So yeah, and it stays in place. See, wherever my eyes move, it stays in place. Let me put the other one and we will talk about how it feels, okay? So it looks amazing, it looks very nice, and my face looks different. It looks very pretty, and I always imagined how I will look with blue eyes, and now I know I look beautiful with blue eyes. Oh my god, I cannot get over how beautiful it looks. Okay, so but my eyes are watering right now. It is absolutely normal to get teared up while using contact lens. It's been 20 minutes and my eyes finally stopped watering. It looks pretty good, you can see. It is sticking to my eye perfectly and it is not causing any kind of discomfort. But here I will tell you, towards the corner of my eyes, both sides of my corners, it is looking foggy. Okay, it is not looking clear, it is looking foggy. There is a difference between looking blurry and looking foggy. Okay, I know my vision is blurry, so I am habituated to it. It's okay. When I'm not using a glasses or lenses, my vision will be blurry, but it's like a fog around my eyes. It is looking exactly like that. Okay, wherever I see, directly when I see, there is no fog, but towards the corner of my vision, both sides, there is kind of a foggy vision. Okay, that is the problem. But I think it will be okay for a few hours. If you are going for a wedding or a party or something, it will be okay. But using it regularly every single day, I don't think I will feel comfortable about it. But as far as the color goes, it is not very loud, it is very subtle, and it is matching my skin tone, my complexion very nicely. I feel comfortable, like people are not going to stare at me thinking that what is up with her, but they are going to stare at me saying that okay, her eye color looks very nice, but it does not look like a natural eye color. Okay, it doesn't look natural. It looks it makes my eye look bigger and brighter, but it doesn't look natural. So there is no redness, there is no itchiness, there is no poking into my eyes. I know that happens with some contact lens. So it is around 1:30 right now. It's been like 4 hours since I put this lens on, I do not feel any itchiness or redness or anything. Everything is normal. Right now I feel like there is nothing on my eye except for that foggy vision that I told you about. I still can see those fogginess around both corners of my eyes, and the important thing is my eye feel a little bit dry right now. I can use eye wetting drops. I have them. I use them all the time, so I can use them and it will make me feel good. But I think that the lens is good, and it is durable. You can almost use it up to 8 to 9 hours without feeling bad or anything, but it does feel a little bit dry. I think it is okay. So this is 9 p.m. I am ready for my bed now, and I'm going to take this contact lens out. I kept it on for almost 12 hours. I put it on at 9:30 and it is 9 o'clock, and it is completely 12 hours, so it kind of feels very comfortable on my eyes. And I did feel a little bit dry throughout the day. I used my eye drops and everything was fine, and my eye color looks very good and it is very usable lens. It is not that of a bad product. It is actually a very nice contact lens, colored lens. So yeah, if you want to give this a try, you can go ahead. That's okay. I think it will be okay for everyone. Before leaving, I would like to tell you one thing that is extremely important. I should have said it earlier in the video. I know using a colored contact is very trending right now and everybody wants to do it. Everybody wants a colored contact on their eyes, but if you feel like it is itching your eye and is very uncomfortable to use, and you have like redness around your eyes every time you use a color contact, do not use it just because it is trending, and immediately go see your eye doctor. You can get eye infection from using this color contact, so be very careful while using color contacts. Do not use cheap color contacts from online websites like from Amazon or from Flipkart. There are some contact lens that are selling at a very cheap price, around 100, 200 rupees or 500 rupees even, for 5 or 6 pairs of contact lens. Do not buy those things because they are extremely cheap. Their material is very cheap and they can cause eye infection. So be very careful about these things, and just because it is trending, you don't have to do it if it is making you uncomfortable. I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you next week with something new. If you want me to try more color contacts like this, because they have a lot of colors, then do comment down in my comment section. I will leave all the links in my description box. I will see you next week. Bye.